Shimajiro! Let's play together! Mom quits!
Shimajiro, what is the meaning of this mess? I specifically told you to clean your room.
But Hannah said she wanted to draw pictures with me.
Well, all right. Then start cleaning up now.
Fine.
And don't slack off this time.
Shimajiro, let's play!
Ah, that's Flappy!
You want to play Flapperman versus the mighty Shimster?
Yes, I do. So, coming in then?
Oh, it's you. Hello, Flappy.
Good morning, Shimajiro's mom.
I'm going to go shopping for a while. Could you take care of the house with Shimajiro while I'm gone?
Sure.
Let's go, Hannah.
Bye-bye!
Oh, right. I've hung a towel outside. Take it in before it gets dark, okay?
Okay, Mom. Have fun! Mighty Shimster attacks!
But then Flapperman hits back.
Oh, you missed!
Oh, it's raining.
Hey, Mom, you're back!
Hello. Flappy, your mother was kind enough to lend me this umbrella. Please give her my regards when you see her. Thank you.
Okay. See you later, Shimajiro.
Bye-bye!
Oh!
Oh, I totally forgot!
I had asked you to take it in, Shimajiro.
Shimajiro! Ah, you stay out of it, Hannah.
Don't take it out on your sister.
You don't have to get mad about it. Just wash the towel again. That's what moms do, right?
I beg your pardon. It's okay, sweet Hannah. Okay then, Shimajiro. In that case, I quit. I'm not going to be your mom anymore.
What?
Shimajiro, your mother just told me what happened. I suggest you apologize immediately.
But...
All right, here we go.
Wait, Mom, it's missing mine.
Mom? I'm not your mom anymore, Shimajiro.
There you go.
Here, let me turn on the gas for you.
Yes, thank you. Thanks, Dad. I think I got it handled from here.
Help him.
I wouldn't want you getting burned. Let me help you. I think it's about done now.
I can do the rest, Dad.
All right.
Oh!
I'll give you half of mine.
Thank you.
Shimajiro.
Morning.
Morning. Why are you up so early?
I can do anything on my own. I'm even doing the laundry right now.
Oh, okay.
There, it's done. I'll take out the clothes.
Oh. I will do the dishes for you.
Sure, thanks. Ah! Oh!
What did you do?
I don't know. I've never done the laundry before. It's your fault for saying you were going to quit being my mom.
Something get you down, Shimajiro?
Huh? Mr. Larson.
Oh, I see. Then I have just the thing for you.
You do?
Any luck, dear?
I looked for him everywhere, but...
Don't you worry. I'm sure he'll be back for his lunch.
I'm home!
And where have you been?
The Mystery Emporium.
You must be hungry. I'll cook something right up for you.
No, I'm fine.
Huh?
Come on in, Mombot. What's that? Mombot's a robot, Mom, I borrowed from Mr. Rarson. It knows how to do every single thing a mom can do.
What?
Don't you think that's too much?
No, it's fine. I love curry on rice. Looks delicious. Mom would never put this much on a plate. I'm full. I can't eat anymore. I worked hard on that. Now finish. But I can't.
Could you?
Mombot, I'll just eat the rest for him.
Mombot, can you clean my room?
Starting program. Clean room. Clean room.
What are you doing? Those are my toys! Stop it now! Mom doesn't clean up like that! No! Not this book! Stop!
You are a bad boy. Must punish.
Help me!
Must punish.
Mom! Help me, please!
What's wrong?
I asked that Mombot to clean my room, and now it's trying to vacuum this book you used to read to me.
Shimajiro must punish.
Nobody gets to punish my son! Oh, Mr. Rarson, I'm so sorry.
Oh, yeah. Don't worry. It looks like it was just another failure. Oh, just have to start from scratch.
Shimajiro, your mother was worried sick about you the whole time. When you ran out of the house after the laundry incident, she looked for you all over town.
Mom really did that?
But that's not all. Every day, your mother works very hard around the house so that you kids can feel safe and happy.
Oh, Mom, I'm really sorry. So just promise me that you'll never tell me you quit again.
And I'm sorry for going too far, okay? I promise I'll always, always be your mom.
Being a big brother's tough.
I made a snack.
Woohoo! Look, Shimajiro.
Looks yummy.
My now.
No fair, me too.
Pippa's. So don't read up, Pippa. You just had your snack, don't you remember?
Nice try, Pippa. But these are for us. All right, let's eat.
Huh? Pippi's going to... He's gonna cry! He's so loud!
He's worse than a storm when he cries.
Flappy, just give him one.
All right.
We can play now.
This happens all the time.
Flappy, the phone.
Hello, who's this? Hi, Grandma. What? You left your mic?
The most important thing in the world, and I just left it. How am I supposed to do a band practice without a mic in my hand? I'm at the community center. Could you bring it to me here?
Oh, this? Sure, I'll bring it to you. Grandma can be so forgetful sometimes. Hey, Mom, I'm going to the community center.
Mine now. I'm going to take it.
I want to go.
Me too.
No, you're not going.
they're gone.
Are they going to be all right all by themselves?
Oh, all three of them went? Yeah, we went after them, but we can't find them. We'll help you look for them. Anything?
No. And it's weird because this is the quickest way to get to the community center.
Hey, it's them! You can catch me! Oh, yeah! They're playing tag!
See, this is why I didn't want them to go on their own. I'll just take it myself then.
Wait a second, Flappy.
Huh?
Why, Shimajiro? I bet they still want to take the mic. When I try to help Hannah when she doesn't want help, she always ends up crying. That's true. My brother sometimes tries to help even when I don't ask, and I think, hey, I've got this, you know.
Okay, but I'm pretty sure they have completely forgotten about the mic by now.
Maybe we can do something to remind them.
Huh? Testing, 1, 2, 1, 2.
No one's here?
Oh, we need to take that to Grandma. That's right.
Let's go. Oh, yeah.
Wow, they remembered.
It really worked.
Hey, ants! Wow, ants! Look, their nest. You're right. Look at them go.
A butterfly! Wait for me!
What are they doing?
They need to hurry. Your grandma's waiting for them.
All right. My sound rocks! My sound rocks!
Hey, that sounds like
Grandma! Let's hurry, guys!
They're gone, Flappy.
I'm done. Which way is it? This way.
This way.
No, it's this way. And that's that. This way.
This way.
Let go. It's this way.
That's it. I quit.
Fine, quitter. Quitter. Oh, no. Now they've split up.
What now? Oh.
I know I'm right. No, Toto, that's not the right way. But I can't really come out now.
Do you think she's lost?
You must not fight. You must get along with your brother and sister. Who are you? I am nobody, but you must stop fighting. Go back at once. I want to look inside.
No, wait.
What's inside? What's inside? Come on, show me.
Someone stop him! We're here! It's okay.
We should go together.
Yeah.
The community center. This way.
I think we're done. I hope they get to their grandma all right. Oh, where's Flappy?
Did you see the triplets?
Flappy!
Party people, yeah! That's more like it. Thanks for bringing me my mic, Toto. Rita, Pippa.
Woohoo! We did it!
Hey, is that Flappy? So you came too.
Me? How come? Flappy?
Why are you here?
Ha ha! That explains everything! He was following you the whole time to make sure you got this mic to me without problem. I bet he was doing a lot behind the scenes to help you.
Grandma, no,
Did anything strange or unusual happen to you on the way here?
We heard your mic.
And we heard you, too. Oh, and there was a weird robot. It wasn't weird at all.
And there you have it, you three. You have a wonderful brother who looks after you. What do you say?
Flappy,
thank you. Gee,
You did it, Flappy.
Well, actually, I couldn't have done it without all my friends here.
In that case, I've got a little tune to give your friends to say thank you. My sound rocks, my guitar rocks.